Good evening, everybody. I'm the Daily Trader. It is October 29th, and we are going to take a look at Palantir stock from a technical analysis perspective. My goal in doing these videos is to help you understand how you can use technical analysis to make better trading and investing decisions. But I am not a financial advisor, so please do your own research and make your own decisions. So Palantir having another quite good day, 24 cents up 0.94%. We closed at 25.88. Post-market, we seem to be even Steven. What does this look like on the chart? Okay, we have a nice green candle, higher low than yesterday and higher high also. We see that things are starting to moving up a little bit. I could even do something like this and it would make sense. It would make sense. And we are still under 26, so we are stuck. We are stuck between 25 and 26. Let me just fix this. I need to have an assistant to just help me with keeping all my colors straight. Yeah, so we are, this is starting to look like an ascending triangle. So we have higher lows right here, and we have our highs, which are stuck under 26. We have a longer wick here at the top, so some selling pressure during the day towards the end of the day. I like to see this. So the stock is getting stuck at 26, and the pressure from the higher lows is mounting up. So something's going to happen, and it should pop. It should just pop. Let's go see the 1 hour chart just for fun. So this is the 9:30 candle. Nice, powerful candle at 9:30. Happy to see this. So this is the support line that I just drew right here. I just drew this. And so we were close to that line yesterday. And then today we opened a little bit lower, but then boom, nice big green candle. Look at the differential in volume here. The volume was doing boom like this at the first hour of the day since a little while, I would say. Yeah, 9:30. This is 9:30 again. So see, so at 9:30, the volume is high. Yeah, almost predictable. So there's some accumulation, there's some action during the first hour of the day. So nice green candle here. Then went sideways pretty much for 3 hours, 3 long hours if you were looking at the stock on the hourly chart. Then fell down to 25.63. So 25.63 is an intraday resistance support that we are following, and the stock is just behaving like it is obeying to our intraday support resistance. This is always nice when it happens. It confirms that we are seeing the right things. And so fell down there. So that did not look too good. But then second hour, it respected it. It's respected it the second hour on that support. And then last hour, higher low and a higher high. So it really used that as a little stepping stone. So it's nice for a stock to move and to just come down a little bit and not too far and use that as a stepping stone to go further. Everything else is pretty good. Everyday gas is pretty good. Nothing much to see here. Let's go back to the daily chart. What I want to attract your attention to is stochastic here. The stochastic here is building up steam. As I mentioned, the stock went high, went low, and pretty much sideways here, but now today it's going higher. So there is a nice build-up here. Stochastic is building up. With stochastic, I describe stochastic as the accelerator pedal for a stock. So when the accelerator pedal is down, stochastic is at maybe 80 or 90. This means that things are going to happen. If they are not already happening, meaning that if the stock is not really going super high, super fast, the fact that the stochastic pedal is to the metal, it is at 76%. That's pretty good. The fact that this stochastic pedal is depressed When the stock is still not moving much, it means that something is going to happen. And so I am expecting, boom, something like this next week. You can quote me on this. I might be wrong, and I will apologize if I am. But all of the indicators are telling me that this is going to happen quite soon. So we have also the RSI that is moving up and up in strength. So RSI is at 57. It's going up. MACD has crossed over. MACD has crossed over on October 19th. So if you want to use the world's simplest investing strategy, buy when MACD is crossing over bullish and sell when it's crossing over bearish. That's the easiest strategy I can think of. And it's just comparing two numbers, the blue number and the orange number. And for a stock Palantir, which is in a bull trend, then you can time each wave and get in, get out, get in, get out. So some YouTubers say that, oh, it's hard to time the market. No, it's not hard to time the market. It's not perfect, but it's not hard. And you can get decent result. Anyway, yeah. So RSI, MACD, nice MACD is getting close to having the two lines above zero. This is when we are going to switch the last thumb down to a thumb up. But that's going super. We broke this bearish channel that we were in since September 23rd. And we have the earnings report that is going to come out based on what TradingView says November 18th. So it seems like we are going to get a run up before this. It seems so because of Stochastic here. So if on Monday we break this, or if we don't break this on Monday and Stochastic still goes higher, I am just going to be even more excited because I like the Stochastic build up. And no significant move of the stock happened without the Stochastic. Look at this here. Look at this. We were going down here. We were going down. Stochastic was at the most 50. So Stochastic is at around 50. Bah, it's not worth your time. When Stochastic starts to reach 60, or look at that, 60 or something, boom. Here, 60 or something, boom. Here, 60, 70, boom. This is just, it's there. It's there. It's there. Everything's there. So thank you very much for watching. Thank you for liking, commenting, subscribing. You can become a YouTube member and join me on Sunday where we are going to look at the weekly chart for Tesla and Palantir. I'm going to stream this live. You can join me if you are a member. And if you happen, you can watch the recording. Or if you are on the interwebs when I will be streaming, you will see a little post telling you, hey, I'm streaming live now. Then you can join me and we can chat a little bit. So it is a more relaxed video or stream. So here I'm pretty tight with what I'm telling you guys. But on Sunday, I'm way more relaxed. I made a lot more mistakes in English. So it's a lot funnier to hear me, blah, blah, blah. And then we can exchange information, points of view. So it's always nice. There's not a lot of people yet, so I still have a very small YouTube channel, but we are at the most 4 or 5 people. So you can ask your questions and then we can discuss stuff. So it's pretty great. It's pretty great. It's fantastic. Thank you very much. So I wish you a great evening. We are going to talk Sunday or Monday. I'm going to wish you a great weekend and I'm going to tell you à la prochaine.